Want to capture every moment on the road with crystal clear footage? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best dash cams for cars 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're looking for Ultra HD recording, night vision, or smart features like WiFi and GPS, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Tuisau 4K Wi-Fi dashcam. This model provides comprehensive coverage with its front, rear, and interior monitoring in high-definition 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p resolution. The front camera features a 170-degree view, while the rear offers 120 degrees, minimizing blind spots. The Tuisau dashcam offers switchable modes for flexibility, allowing users to upgrade to 4K resolution when the rear camera is not in use. Built-in 5G WiFi and the Vigeo app support easy connectivity and video management on both Android and iOS devices. Night vision ensures clear footage even in low light, and the G sensor and loop recording prevent data loss during sudden events. Additionally, parking mode monitors your car when parked, providing peace of mind around the clock. Taking the 4th spot is the Coolcrazy 4K dashcam. This sleek, compact dashcam offers impressive 4K UHD resolution at 3840x2160p, ensuring high-quality footage even in low-light conditions thanks to its super night vision, WDR, and HDR technology. The wide 170-degree field of view captures clear images of road signs and license plates, providing valuable evidence in case of accidents. With built-in GPS, WiFi, and an app for Android and iOS, users can track driving routes, speed, and locations while managing video recordings easily. The camera also features a 24-hour parking monitor, additional hardwire kit required, and a G sensor to lock important footage during sudden incidents. Taking the 3rd spot is the Affver 4K dashcam. This dual-channel camera features 4K UHD resolution at 30 frames per second for the front and 1080p at 25 frames per second for the rear, providing comprehensive video coverage of your vehicle. With a wide 160-degree front and 155-degree rear angle, it captures crucial evidence in accidents. The dashcam is equipped with 5 GHz WiFi and GPS for easy video downloading and real-time location tracking. The 3.59-inch IPS screen offers clear display and simple navigation, while the low-profile design ensures minimal interior disruption. It supports 24-hour parking mode when connected to an additional hardwire kit, ensuring security even when the car is off. Enhanced night vision with WDR technology guarantees clear footage in low-light conditions. Taking the 2nd spot is the Rove 2 4K dual dashcam. This advanced dashcam offers 4K front recording at 3840x2160p and 1080p rear recording at 1920x1080p, ensuring clear footage of both the road ahead and behind. With a 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide angle, it captures more details. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor provides exceptional low light performance, while the f1.5 front and f1.8 rear apertures enhance night vision. The Rove 2 features ultra-fast 5G WiFi for download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing easy management and sharing of videos via the Rove app. Built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and locations, adding extra evidence in case of incidents. The dashcam includes a 128GB microSD card and supports up to 1 TB of external storage. Next on our list is the IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. This dashcam features 360-degree coverage with front, rear, side, and interior cameras, providing comprehensive recording in 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 720p or 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p modes. It boasts a 170 degrees front and rear angle and 150 degree side cameras for a wide field of view. Equipped with super night vision, the N5 ensures crisp footage, even in low light conditions, thanks to its f1.8 aperture, 6-layer optics, and IR lights on the side cameras. The dashcam includes a 128GB SD card and supports up to 256GB for seamless loop recording.